Zone lang, zone sila.
No, Ebron OC, Ebron OC. Ebron OC. Pang nilak ng block.
May dala silang hammer.
Laki! O, tangina nyo.
No, DA pa, wala pang DA. Meron DA, level 16 DA, level 16.
Basak tayo dito.
Just ano, just clear comes. Just clear comes lang.
Dismounted, mage, dismounted.
Yeah, I see. Just hold here. Dito on the front lang. Just spam me silence on the ground. Just spam. QCW on the front. Just QCW on the front. Just QCW. Do not fear. Heals up. Just QCW. Run over them. Push. Nearly. Defensive. Fake lang. Then push them. Get ready. We'll go to engage door northwest. Northwest now. In 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1. On me. Dito on the front. Then push. Then spread. He's up in the front. More spread lang. Hold there. Just hold there. Just QCW. Do not fear. Just QCW. Do not go back. Don't fear. Heels up in the front. Heels up in the front. They engage. Nice one. Heels up. Just push them. Everyone do not look. Get ready. We'll go to engage. Heels up on the front. Heels ako to front. Support. Everyone spread. We're going to engage them. Magdi-dip tayo. Get ready. We'll go to engage on the front na in 5, 4, in 3, in 2, 1. On me. Northwest now. Delete to the front. Delete them. Then front is spread. Defensive. Heels up. Come back east now. Walk is. Heels up lang sa akin. Icicle. Give me icicle. Hold here. Ditang, hold here. Heels up sa akin. Mamamatay ako sa front, man. Promise. Oh my god. Man. QCW, man. QCW, do not fear. Come east now. Come back east. Down the hill. Heels up. Ditak natin. Down the hill. Down the hill. Oh my god. Man, yung mga member nagtatakbuhan, man. Come back east. Nasaan mga ditak natin? Hold nyo. And push to. Everyone get ready. We'll go to engage in the front now. In 5, in 4, in 3. Defensive. Nice one. We're going to engage on the north now. In 5, 4, in 3, in 2, 1. On the front. Almost front. Delete there. Oh my god. Come north. Everyone scatter.
Babay ko hindi.
Mount up. Mount up.
Wala, may
Merong
8 minutes.
Okay lang. Don't worry.
Then may bad review. Marami dito ako.
Naglulot yung iba. Ang daming lulot. Wala tayong damage pa. Ang dami natin damage pero wala tayong walang nag-i-engage on the front end. Bagal.
Lakas mag-hold ng CCTV.
Tapos mag-hold yun.
Yan talaga nila. Nakita lang na dumaan siya.
Dito pa rin yung
Pag mas nila, putangin.